traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, September 25th, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day. And the pound US dollar came in number 3 today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you didn't see my full top down analysis from this morning on the pound, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So we had a pretty big push down today on most of the dollar pairs. Now, looking at other pairs for correlation, I still think the trend is up, and I'm still not really convinced this is a huge move down. We did have a little bit of a break of structure, so you probably should be looking for shorts. Looking at the euro dollar, it's a couple of the other dollar pairs for correlation. I'm actually kind of thinking that this could be a big old expanding or running flat. If this ends up making 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ways down and a break of structure, I probably would go back to the long side and start looking for longs. But until you see a picture like this, we probably should be looking for shorts. And while we're looking for shorts, if it just keeps on going down, then whatever, we're looking for shorts anyways. So keep an eye out for either a running flat or an expanding flat while you're looking for shorts, and hopefully learning and earning whether this really is an expanding flat or possibly a running flat. So we do have some pretty good things on the news calendar. First of all, we got Switzerland news coming out tomorrow, interest rate news. They are planning on lowering interest rates 25 basis points, so that should be a good one tomorrow morning. London session. And then in the U.S. session, we got GDP and unemployment claims, both really good. And then we got Powell talking in the afternoon, but this is not a real Powell speech. This is actually a pre-recorded speech. If you actually look at the description right here, you can see that it's a pre-recorded speech. So I don't know. I mean, anytime Powell is on the news calendar, it definitely can move the market. So keep an eye out for the dollar and the Swiss pairs tomorrow, especially. So, anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.